Hello. Oh my god, I'm audible in front of you people. That's really blessed. So yeah, good evening everyone. So how you guys are doing? Before moving on, I just need to know that how many people you can just understand Hindi. So almost everyone, but bit of okay, cool. So I think I can speak like Tamil, English, Hindi, Marathi, and I can understand Kannada. Within few days, I'll start speaking also, hopefully. And after one of our friends said a very beautiful lines in Kannada, I really fell in love with the language. It's really good. Okay, for the people who don't understand Hindi, for them, like, how much do you conversate with the people you love in a day? May I know that? Like, someone loved, like anyone, your friends, family, anyone? So, you don't like to conversate with people, or like, you came here to make friends with strangers, right? To interact. What about your family? How much do you interact with them? To us? That's great. That's a big time nowadays, right? So yeah. So for them, I wanted to present बातें. अर्ज क्या है? Thanks bro. ये किसकी बातें हैं जो कभी कही नहीं गई? ये किसकी बातें हैं जो कभी सुनी नहीं गई? ये जो बात बात पर जो चुप से हो जाते हैं, क्या वो बोली नहीं गई या बुलाया नहीं गई? कभी लगता है वो छोटा सा बच्चा जो अपनी खुशी महफिलों में बांट कर गम अकेला बिताता है, क्या उसमें इतनी समझ है जो हम में नहीं? ये किसकी बात है जो कभी जिक्र नहीं हुई? वो लहराता हुआ समंदर जो शांत सा हो जाता है, वो लहराता हुआ समंदर जो शांत सा हो जाता है, वो चमकती हुई चांद जो गायब सा हो जाता है, वो ढलती हुई शाम जो कभी महसूस ही नहीं होती है, वो जो रात बड़ी हो जाती है और दिन छोटी, ये किसकी बातें हैं जो कभी दिखी नहीं गई या महसूस करना ही नहीं था? वो बिखरता इंसान, वो बिखरती चाहत, वो बिखरता ख्वाब, ये किसकी थी जो कभी जाया नहीं की? ये बात मेरी थी, ये बात मेरी थी, जो आज पराया होकर भी जो अपने बन के सुन रहे हो ना जनाब, ये बात मेरी थी. थैंक यू. I hope you felt me and the child inside you. Thank you.
What it is, and the last line, how you ended it up. So being the strangers will listen to you being yours. So that's how it means, right? So it was totally good. Yes, anybody who wants to comment anything. Manish, would you?
Yeah, I like the way it feels. If you take it like when you present something and people can connect with you, it's a blessing in poetry. So I really feel it. Nice.
And how do you memorize all the lines, man? You never ever referred it again, and the expression you had, everything was totally so good. Because I have heard, okay, I have listened or I have watched someone else. They'll be like, just go on telling those lines. They just utter it off. But you, with the expressions, and you were just totally feeling it, and even making us feel that, go through that lines. So that was amazing. Yes, anybody who wants to say something over it?
It was very well presented. The pauses that you gave, the little gaps that you gave, so that each one, contemplates it and gets into the vibe of it. That was very good, and you kept the life of it going all along. The presentation, the delivery part, superb. Very nice. Bye.
Thank you so much. And Nandini, we wish to have you in the further open mics too, so that yes, all the languages, even we can learn good languages from you. So that's the point. Thanks, Nandini. Thank you.
Thank you guys.